Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you how to add Endscreen with the latest YouTube Creator Studio. Many persons are facing problem with it, and today I'm going to show you in details. So first of all, I'm logging into my YouTube account, and as you can see, I'm logged in. I'm simply clicking on my channel icon. This is German letter, one of my channels, and I try to teach German here. You can also watch it and subscribe. Okay, YouTube Studio. Okay, I'm now in YouTube Creator Studio. I'm going to videos. Okay, now this is the new interface of YouTube Creator Studio, the latest one. And now I'm just going to add Endscreen to this video, and which is why I'm going to click on pin details. Okay, now scroll down. And at the right side, you'll be able to find Endscreen. Click there. So as this video had no Endscreen in it, so you can click on element to add videos or subscribe, etc. in it. But you can also use template like the older YouTube Creator Studio. Okay. And I always prefer to take from the templates. Okay, and you can see, okay, I'm just going to take 2 videos. Okay, now as you can see, 2 videos templates is this, and now I'm just going to add videos to this. So what I have to do, if you want most recent upload, it is deactivated. I really don't know why, but sometimes it may happen. So what I'm going to do, for first one, I'm just going to choose best for viewer. Okay, and then the second one, I'm going to choose a specific video, and here you can choose videos from your channel on, and also can put the URL from your other channel video, YouTube video. Okay, so I'm just going to choose it from my videos, and this one. Okay, the first one is best for viewer, and the second one is a video chosen from my channel. And finally, I'm going to save, and before that you can also increase or decrease the amount of your Endscreen to be displayed, okay, like the earlier one, and clicking on save. Okay, now it has been saved. Firstly, okay, I have shown you how to add Endscreen to blank one. Now I'm just going to show you how to edit the existing. Okay, as you can see, most recent upload is there. Okay, I'm just going to change it. When it is highlighted or selected, you can do this. And the second one is best for viewer. Our video will be chosen from your channel and will be shown to the viewer, and save. And this is the way of adding at the time of existing Endscreen. Okay, and by this simple way you can add Endscreen to your channel, to your videos on the latest YouTube Creator Studio. And I hope you really enjoyed this and will help you a lot. Please hit the like button, share your experience and suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Subscribe our channel German Letter 2 and support us. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.